You're sitting quietly. Someone nearby yawns, and before you know it, you yawn too. It's one of the most common human behaviors, but also one of the most mysterious. Why do we yawn? Why is yawning contagious? And what does it actually do for our body and brain? Today, we're diving deep into the science behind yawning, from ancient biology to modern research, and busting some myths along the way. What exactly is a yawn? A yawn is a powerful reflex. You open your mouth wide, you inhale deeply. Your jaw muscles stretch, you exhale slowly, but inside something fascinating happens. Your lungs expand, pulling in a big gulp of air. Blood circulation temporarily increases. Your facial muscles, throat and chest all engage in a coordinated movement. Yawning isn't just about being tired, it's a whole body reset. Why do we yawn? Scientists have proposed many theories. 1. Oxygen and carbon dioxide theory. Early scientists believed yawning helps bring in more oxygen and release extra carbon dioxide. Modern research shows this isn't the full story, but it might play a small role when you've been breathing shallowly. 2. Brain cooling theory. One leading theory today is that yawning helps cool the brain. When your brain overheats from stress, high mental activity, or fatigue, a deep inhale of cooler air and increased blood flow can help regulate temperature. Studies show people yawn more in warm environments than cold ones, supporting this idea. Third state change theory. Yawning often happens during transitions, waking up, falling asleep, or shifting from one activity to another. It's your body's way of switching gears, increasing alertness, or preparing for rest. Why is yawning contagious? Here's the fun part. Yawning is contagious. Even reading about yawning can make you do it. Empathy link. Research shows contagious yawning is linked to social bonding and empathy. Humans, chimpanzees, and even dogs show contagious yawning. The closer you are emotionally to someone, the more likely their yawn will trigger yours. Brain mirror neurons. Seeing someone yawn activates mirror neurons in your brain, mimicking the action. It's a subconscious way of syncing behavior within groups. Yawning in animals. Yawning isn't just human. Lions yawn to show relaxation and signal safety in their pride. Birds and reptiles yawn to stretch their jaw muscles. Fish yawn to adjust gill movement. Many species use yawning as a communication tool or body reset, proving it's a deeply rooted reflex. Common myths about yawning myth. Yawning only happens when you're tired. Truth, it happens when you're bored, stressed, or changing states. Myth, yawning means you need more oxygen. Truth, oxygen levels don't fully explain it. Brain cooling and state changes are bigger factors. Myth, contagious yawning is just copying. Truth, it's tied to empathy and social connection. Yawning and your health. Frequent yawning can sometimes be a sign of sleep deprivation, stress, or anxiety. Rarely neurological conditions like migraines or multiple sclerosis, but in most cases, yawning is completely normal and even healthy. Fun facts about yawning babies. Yawn in the womb before they're even born. Scientists have recorded yawns lasting up to 6 seconds in humans. Dogs catch yawns from their owners, proof of deep emotional connection. Yawning happens in every culture and every corner of the world. Yawning isn't just about being tired. It's a fascinating mix of biology, brain function, and social connection. Next time you catch a yawn, remember, check it might be cooling your brain. It might be syncing you with people around you. And it's a behavior shared with animals all over the planet. Like, share, and follow for more science that explains the quirks of your amazing body.